Solved. How to fix Twitch no sound when streaming on Windows. First things to check the cable connection, external speakers or some microphone. Ensure your PC is not on mute. Set or choose the right playback device. Method 1, restart your PC. Method 2, fix potential browser issues. 2.1 Check if Twitch is on mute, enable play sounds in web pages under multimedia in advanced internet properties. 2.2. Clear your browser cookies and cache. 2.3 Try an alternative. Browser. Method 3, update your audio driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Method 4, run Windows Audio Troubleshooter.